Hello students, welcome back to our channel. I, Mrs. Ujjwala Varade, I am going to teach you maths. So dear students, in our previous session, what we have seen? We have seen some solid shapes. Let us revise that once again. Look at the board. Here one activity is there. Drag and drop the names to match the solid figures. Now here some solid shapes they had given us, and what we have to do, below that here names are there, or shapes, name of the shapes are there, that we have to drag and drop in below the particular shape. So see this first shape. Can you see this? Yes. Which shape it is? Yes, it is a cube. Why? Because we can see all the faces are square in shape, and it has how many faces it has? It has, yes, 6 faces. So it is a cube. So what we have to do? We have to drag and drop the name to that particular shape. See this. This is a, yes, this is a cuboid. So let us drag the name cuboid and we will drop that name below that shape. See this. This is a, yes, sphere. This is cone or cylinder? Yes, this is cylinder. And the last one is cone. So this we have seen in our previous session. Now one more activity is there for you. Drag and drop the names to match the plane figures. We have seen the plane figures also. Okay. See, the first shape is, can you see this shape? Yes. What it is? It is a square. Is it a square? No, this is the rectangle. Why? Because see, here only the opposite sides are equal. Not all 4 sides are not equal, only opposite sides are equal. So it is a rectangle. Now see this figure, this shape. It has 4 sides and all the 4 sides are equal. Okay. So we will select square and we will drag that name below that shape. Now can you see this shape? How many sides it has? It has 3 sides and it has 3 corners. So it is a triangle. Then see this. Yes, this is a square or circle or oval. Which shape it is? Yes, this is a oval. And the last one is a circle. Okay. So in this way, in our previous session we have seen the plane shapes as well as solid shapes. Now in this period we are going to see the properties of solid shapes one by one. First we will see the property of cube. Look at the board. See, this is a cube. Here all the sides in a cube are equal. See, this is a cube. Can you see this cube? Yes. Now see carefully. All the sides are equal. And if we will see carefully, we can see all the faces or all the surfaces are square in shape. So what they are given? Every face is a square. In cube, all sides are equal and every face is a square. Then a cube has 6 faces. Now let me count how many faces it has. See, all the faces are square in shape and all the faces are flat. Now we will count how many faces it has. 1, 2, 3, this back 4, 5 and 6. So cube has 6 faces. Then how many edges it has? It has 12 edges. Now we will count edges. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many edges it has? It has 12 edges and 8 corners. It has cube has 8 corners. We will see the corners now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many corners it has? It has 8 corners. Once again I will repeat this. All the sides in a cube are equal. See, all the sides are equal. Why? Because every face is a square and we know very well in square all the sides are equal. So in cube all sides are equal and every face is a square. A cube has 6 faces. See, just now we have seen how many faces it has. It has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. This is about the cube. Keep all these properties in your mind which are very important. Cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Now the next shape is cuboid. Now look at the board. Cuboid, it is cuboid. In a cuboid, the opposite sides of each face are equal. If we will see the opposite sides, only opposite sides are equal, not all the sides are equal. Every face is a rectangle. Why only the opposite sides are equal? Because every face is a rectangle, and in a rectangle if we will see this face, see this face, only first face, see this face. If we will see this face, the shape of this face is a rectangle, and in rectangle only the opposite sides are equal. So in cuboid also every face is a rectangle, so the only opposite sides of each face are equal. Now a cuboid also has 6 faces, same like a cube. Cuboid also has 6 faces. We will count now. This is 1, 2, this back 3, 4, below 5 and up 6. So it has 6 faces, 12 edges. Now here we can count the edges. Edges means where the two faces can meet. So 1, this 1, 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So in cuboid it has 12 edges. Now we will see the corners. How many corners it has? It has 8 corners. I will show you the corners by point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many corners it has? A cuboid has 8 corners. Can you understand this? Clear these 2 points, cube and cuboid? Yes. See, in cube every face is square in shape. All the faces are square. Cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Whereas in cuboid every face is a rectangle. This is the difference between the cube and cuboid. In cube every face is a square, but in cuboid every face is a rectangle in shape. This is the main difference between cube and cuboid. And remaining it has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners like cube only. Now we will move to the cylinder. Now see the cylinder. A cylinder has 3 faces. See, a cylinder has 3 faces. We will count and I will show you how the faces are in the cylinder. It has 3 faces. See, the first is flat, 1, 2. Means it has 2 flat faces, and the third face is a curve face. So in cylinder has two flat faces and one curved face, which can you see now. Okay, so a cylinder has three faces. There are two plain or flat faces. Just now I shown you two flat faces and one curved face. Okay, now here also you can see this upstairs and downside, which are flat, and the middle it is a curved face. So it has three faces, two flat and one is curved. Okay, the next shape is cone. See this cone here. A cone has a plain surface and a curved surface. Now I will show you cone. A cone has one flat surface or plain surface. This surface, can you see this surface? How it is? It is a flat surface. It has one flat surface and one curved surface. If we will see this middle part, it is a curve. So in cone it has one flat surface and one curved surface. It has only one edge and one corner. See this, it has only one corner. The corner is also called a vertex. The name of the corner, one more name it has, the vertex. Now the next is sphere. This looks like a ball and is called a sphere. See, it looks like a ball and the name of this shape is sphere. A sphere has no edges or no corners. It only has a dash surface. How is the surface of the sphere? It has only one curved surface. So what will come here? Curve. It has only one curved surface. So in this way we have seen the properties of solid shapes. Now we will see the exercise 4.2. Open your textbook, page number 52. The question is, look at the objects and write down their shapes. Now one by one we will see. See the object. What we have to do? We have to see the objects and we have to write down the shape of the given object. The first one, it is a globe of earth. What is the shape of this globe of earth? It looks like a sphere. Yes, it looks like a sphere. So what is the shape of the earth? Yes, sphere. So I'll write here sphere. You also write down in your textbook. Complete the exercise 4.2 here only. Sphere. The spelling of sphere is S-P-H-E-R-E. Now see, what is this? Yes, it is a ice cream cone. Yes, everyone knows very well. It is a ice cream cone. What is the shape of the cone? Ice cream cone? Yes, this ice cream cone looks like a cone, isn't it? Yes. So what is the shape of the ice cream cone? Cone. So write here C-O-N-E, cone. Now see the third object. What it is? Yes, it is a tin. So what is the shape of that object? Yes, how it looks? It looks like, yes, cylinder. This is a cylinder. It looks like a cylinder. So the shape of this object is cylinder. Now the next, yes, what it is? Yes, it is a dice. So what is the shape of the dice? Yes, it looks similar like a cube. So what is the shape? Cube. Now see the next object. The next object is, yes, textbook. What is the shape of the textbook? The shape of the textbook is similar. It looks like a cuboid. So what is the shape of the textbook? Cuboid. Next, sixth object. Yes, see there is one small box which looks like a cylinder. So the shape of this object is cylinder. See this. This is a, yes, this is a mic. So it looks like the shape of this is cone. This is a pencil. What is the shape of the pencil? Yes, you can see the pencil. The shape of the pencil is, it's similar like a cuboid. If we will see these two objects together, it looks like a cylinder. So what is the shape of the pencil? Cylinder. The next is ball. And what is the shape of the ball? Yes, it is a sphere. Have we completed? Shall we move to the next part? Here 3 more examples are there that we will see first. See here. 10th one, it is a box. So what is the shape of that object? It looks like a, it is similar as, yes, tell me the answer. Yes, if we will see, if we will compare, it looks like a cuboid. The next is cylinder, and the last is cone. So in this way we have completed question number A. Now we will see the B question. What is the question? Tick the correct shape. Now here they are given us examples and we have to tick the correct shape of that object. The first is nail or nail. What is the shape of the nail? It looks like a cylinder. So give a small tick on the cylinder. The next is tube light. You can see a tube light in your home. What is the shape of the tube light? Yes, it also looks like a cylinder. Then matchbox. See the matchbox and give a tick on the correct shape. What is the shape of the matchbox? Yes, cuboid, correct. And the last is the earth. What is the shape of the earth? Yes, sphere. Now see the question number C. What is the question? How many corners? Now we will count how many corners each and every shape has. The first is cube. Now we will see how many corners it has. Count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many corners cube has? Cube has 8 corners. Now cuboid. Again cuboid has same 8 corners. Cylinder. How many corners cylinder has? Yes. Can you see corner here? No, it has no corner. So we will write here 0. It has 0 corners. Now cone. How many corners cone has? Only 1 corner it has. 1. See, only 1 corner. Now sphere. Again see the sphere. See this sphere carefully. It has corner? No, it has no corners or it has 0 corners. So we will put 0. Now see this D question. How many edges? First one is cube. Yes. See the cube. We will count the edges. Okay. How many edges it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. It has 12 edges. In cuboid also it has 12 edges. Now what about the cylinder? Say the cylinder. How many edges it has? Yes, cylinder, it has 2 edges which are curved. This one first and this is second. So in cylinder it has 2 edges. Now see the cone. How many edges cone has? Cone has only 1 edge. Okay. So we will write here 1. And in sphere it don't have any edge. So it has 0 edges. Next, the last question is, do the following have plane faces, curve face or both? Now what we have to see? We have to see in a cube whether cube has plane face, curve face or it has both face. That we have to see and we have to write here. Now first we will see cube. See this cube. In cube, can you see the plane faces? Yes, all are plane only. Curve? No, it don't have curve face. So what we will write here? A cube has only plane face. Now cuboid. I will show you cuboid also. See the cuboid. How the faces are? Yes, plane, curve or both? Yes, it has only plane faces. So here also we will write plane. Now the next shape is cylinder. Now see the cylinder. In cylinder, yes, plane faces. Can you see the plane faces? Yes, see this face. This is a plane face. This also. It has 2 plane faces. And what about curve face? Yes, see the middle part. This middle part, it has only 1 curve face and 2 flat faces. Means in cylinder both the faces are there, plane as well as curve. So what we will write here? Both. Both means a cylinder has plane faces also and curve face also. Okay? Okay. Now move to the next. The next is cone. Now see the cone. See the cone. See this part. It has 1 flat surface or plane surface. Okay, so this is a flat surface, plane surface. And if we will see this middle part, it has curve face also. So what we will write here? Cone has both the faces, flat as well as curve. So we will write here both. Now the next is sphere. See, this is a sphere. See this sphere. Can you see the plane faces in the sphere? No, it does not have plane face. Curve face, yes, this is a curve face. Sphere has only 1 curve face. So what we will write here? Curve. Okay. So in cube it has only plane faces. And how many faces it has? It has 6 plane faces. In cuboid also all the faces are plane. And how many faces are there? 6 faces. In cylinder plane faces as well as curve faces are there. So we wrote the both. Even in cone also both the faces are there, flat as well as curve or plane as well as curve. And in sphere only curve face is there. So in this way we have seen the corners, edges and about the faces. So once again I will repeat. In corner cube, how many corners it has? Yes, cube has 8 corners. Cuboid also has 8 corners. But if we will see the cylinder, it has 0 corners, or it has no corner. What about cone? Yes, cone has only 1 corner. Okay, but in sphere also it does not have corner. Then we have seen the edges also. Okay, so in cube, how many edges cube has? Yes, cube has 12 edges. How many edges? Cube has 12 edges. Now in cuboid also has 12 edges. If we will see the cylinder, how many edges it has? It has 2 edges. And how are the edges? Yes, curve or plane? Yes, cylinder has curve faces. See, this is called as curve face. Okay, so cylinder has 2 curve edges. Sorry. Then cone. In cone has only 1 edge, whereas in sphere it does not have any edge, so we wrote here 0. Then we have seen the faces also. Cube has only plain faces. All the faces are similar, all the faces are square in shape. Okay, in cuboid it has plain faces. Even in cuboid it has also 6 faces, and all the faces are rectangle in shape. Okay, this is the difference between the cube and cuboid. In cube all the faces are square in shape, but in cuboid all the faces are rectangle in shape. Okay, then in cylinder, yes, in cylinder plain faces are there as well as curve face is there. 2 plain faces and 1 curve face is there. So in cylinder both the faces are there. In cone also we have seen, in cone also plain face is there as well as 1 curve face is there. So in cone both the faces are there. But in sphere only curve face is there, isn't it? So students, in this way we have completed our exercise 4.2. So what you have to do? Just you have to learn all the properties of solid shapes. Okay, so in the next episode we are going to see the simple concepts in geometry. Thank you.